Welcome to YouTube Automation, a revolutionary way to create content without showing your face. This rapidly growing online business model generates content efficiently using automated tools and outsourced services. The process begins with careful niche selection and research to identify profitable areas. Tools like Google Trends find trending topics and keywords, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Content creation relies on AI tools that write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even produce animated visuals. AI writing assistants draft scripts, text-to-speech converts them to voiceovers, and AI video generators combine these with visuals. After video creation, design eye-catching thumbnails with AI and maintain a consistent publishing strategy. Monetization occurs through YouTube's AdSense program and affiliate marketing, earning commissions on sales. YouTube Automation's appeal is its accessibility. Start with just a smartphone and no significant capital. Focus on quality content and strategic automation to build a successful online presence.